In the last video lecture, I taught you Jacobian of functions of function. In this video lecture, I will teach you how to find the Jacobian of implicit functions. So if u1, u2 up to un are functions of n variable x1, x2 up to xn, and these functions are implicitly connected by an equation as f1 is first equation, which is function of u1, u2 up to un and x1, x2 up to xn. Similarly, f2 is also another function, which is again function of u1 to un and x1 to xn. And similarly, n equation are given. So implicit meaning a function is said to be implicit if we cannot express any variable u1 up to un and x1, x2, x1 in the terms of other variable. So such types of equation are called implicit equation. For example, if we write here sin xy is equal to xy xy is equal to 0, xy plus x is equal to 0 plus x square plus y square is equal to 0. Y square is equal to 0. So we cannot write x in the terms of only y or y in the terms of x only. So these types of equations are called implicit equations because we cannot write x in the terms of other variable or similarly the other variable in the terms of first variable. So in that case, if we have given n equations which are implicitly connected, then the Jacobian of f1, f2 up to fn with respect to u1, u2 up to un into Jacobian of u1, u2 up to un with respect to x1, x2 up to xn is calculated by this formula, and its value is equal to minus 1 to the power n if n equation are given, and Jacobian of f1, f2 up to fn with respect to x1, x2 up to xn. The above result can also be written as the Jacobian of u1, u2 up to un with respect to x1, x2 up to xn is equal to minus 1 to the power n, and Jacobian of f1, f2 with respect to x1, x2 so on, and similarly Jacobian of f1, f2 up to fn with respect to u1, u2 upon up to un. So this formula is very important and we have to remember this formula. So now we will try to solve this problem by using the previous formula. In this problem we have given x plus y plus z is equal to u, y plus z is equal to u into v, and z is equal to u into v into w. Then find the value of the Jacobian of x, y, z with respect to u, v, w. So first of all, we will write the first equation as f1 is equal to x plus y plus z and minus u is equal to 0. Similarly, f2 is equal to y plus z minus uv is equal to 0. And third equation, f3 is equal to z minus u into v into w. So first of all, we rewrite the given equation in the form of this. So here f1, f2, f3 are function of x, y, z, u, v, w. Now we have to find the Jacobian of x, y, z with respect to u, v, w. So by previous formula, this formula, Jacobian of u1 u2 up to un with respect to x1 x2 up to xn is calculated by Jacobian of f1 f2 up to fn. So first of all we will take minus 1 to the power n, because here 3 equation, so n is 3. Now take Jacobian of f1 f2 f3. So first of all denominator, we write here denominator, Jacobian of u1 v1 u v w. Then divide with the Jacobian of f1 f2 f3 upon Jacobian of x y z. Now we know that the Jacobian of minus 1 to the power 3 gives us minus value, and Jacobian of f1 f2 f3 with respect to u1 u v w is calculated by this formula. So similarly the Jacobian of f1 f2 f3 with respect to x y z is calculated by this formula. Now we differentiate f1 with respect to u from here minus 1, with respect to v 0 because v is not here, with respect to w again 0, and similarly we will calculate all these values minus v minus u 0, and after solving these equations, this determinant, the Bode determinants, if we find a determinant along first row we get minus 1, and leave this and this row we get this into minus this, so u square v. Again the determinant of this matrix is plus 1, so its value is u square v. Here is minus sign is also here, u square v. Our second problem is, if u is q plus vq is equal to x plus y, and u square plus v square is equal to x cube plus y cube, then we prove that the Jacobian of uv with respect to xy is equal to 1 by 2 of y square minus x square whole upon uv into u minus v. So we have to prove this. So first of all we will rewrite the given equation in this form: f1 is equal to uq plus vq minus x minus y is equal to 0, and similarly f2 is equal to u square v square, or take all the term left hand side, u square plus v square minus x cube minus y cube is equal to 0. Now we will use the formula Jacobian of uv with respect to xy when u, v, x, y are implicitly connected. This formula is equal to minus 1 to the power n. N is 2 because two equations are given. And Jacobian of f1, f2 with respect to xy whole upon Jacobian of f1, f2 with respect to uv. So numerator comes here and denominator come here. So we know that Jacobian of f1, f2 with respect to xy is calculated by this formula: f1 with respect to x, f1 with respect to y, f2 with respect to x. And simply Jacobian of f1, f2 with respect to uv is calculated by this formula. Now differentiating f1 with respect to x and y. So if we differentiate f1 with respect to x we get minus 1, with respect to y we again get minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1. Similarly we can differentiate f2 with respect to x and y, and after solving the above determinant we get 3u square, multiply this into this and minus this into this, we get 3u square minus 3x square whole upon, multiply this into this and then multiply 6u square v minus 6uv square, and taking 3 from the above common and similarly 6uv from the below, we get this value, and after solving simplifying this we get our result.